So in this question, the first thing is what? AB parallel CD is given. Okay, and this one PQ is the transversal. So this angle is given CRQ. Angle CRQ is given 148 degree. Okay, you have to find how many angles. Tell me. You have to find. I think this angle. Angular motion equation. Give me a book. Give me a book. So you have to find four angles here. The first one is of CRS. CRS. This angle question mark. Again one angle is of ASP. This angle question mark. Okay. Again one is what? PSD. That means this angle is question mark. And again what? BSR. BSR. This angle is question mark. Okay. So you can easily find this four angles. Look at this one. Given angle is what? CRQ 148 degree. So we can say we have, if you see these two angles are what? Angle CRQ plus angle, this one is what? Name is what? CRS equal to 180 degree. Linear pair or not? This one is a line. This one is a line. And suppose these two angles are what? Linear pair. Forming a linear pair. That means CRQ already is given 148 degree plus angle CRS 180 degree. So when 148 degree goes to that side, it becomes subtraction. 180 degree minus 148 degree. So the value of CRS is what? 32 degree. That means this angle 32. CRS already we find this 32 degree. Clear? Now if you see carefully this angle you need, the name of the angle is what? ASP. Okay. What is the relation between ASP and already we find CRS? Can anyone guess?
ASP and?
This angle you need ASP and already we find CRS.
Sir, both have S.
पार्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल किसको बोलते हैं? मालूम है? रट्टा मारेगा एकदम वीडियोस आ रहा है इसके आगे. Vertically opposite angles are this type of angles are vertically opposite. थोड़ा तो लिंक होना है बेटा. ये I am asking this angle and this angle. कहाँ से उठा है? Vertically opposite. Yes, ये कुछ अलग. ये बस corresponding angles. These two angles are corresponding. Don't remember the figure like this. Not a key problem because only figure पे लेके बोलो क्या? ऐसे याद रखते हो बेटा फिगर. तो ये बेटा corresponding और ये corresponding. ये उल्टा भी हो सकता है. So in this case that means angle ASP. Angle ASP is equal to angle CRS. Already we find corresponding angle. That means the value of ASP also becomes 32 degree. Yes, another answer. Another answer. Clear? Now that means we find two angle here. This one is also 32 degree. अभी बेटा क्या सही है? ये एंगल सही है और ये एंगल सही है. Now what is this one? Directly this one is vertically opposite. You can say angle BSR. Angle BSR. Angle BSR is equal to angle ASP. That is vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle. That means BSR becomes now 32 degree. 32 degree. This one is also 32 degree. Okay? And this angle you can find from linear pair or directly if you see these two angles. Alternate exterior angle. Angle PSD and originally which angle is given? CRQ. तो ध्यान से देख ऐसे देखना है. ऐसे है ना ये angle ये this angle and ये angle this angle. दोनों क्या है? इधर में देखो. ऐसा अगर फिगर ऐसा होगा तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल क्या होता है? Alternate exterior. तो यहाँ पे directly you can find that means angle P. कहने का कारण no whole rate. I was telling you if you get this one is suppose forgetting the relation between alternate and exterior angle, then use the concept of linear pair. Linear pair we use कर सकते हो the angle ASP plus angle BSP but PSB equal to 180 degree. ऐसे ही find कर सकते हो. तो directly we can find the this. So directly we find angle PSD is equal to angle CRQ, alternate exterior angle. So that means PSD is equal to 148 degree. अब समझ में ये है 3 वैल्यूज. पहले ये एंगल दिया था बेटा, तो इससे डायरेक्टली वी कैन फाइंड दिस एंगल. Linear pair concept 32 degree. Now this angle and this angle corresponding, so you can find 32 degree. This angle and this angle vertically opposite 32 degree. Someone find like this also. They after finding this 32, these two are alternate interior. ऐसा नहीं है एक मेथड पे ही करना है. Okay. So after finding this and this 32, you can use this one also. This concept is linear pair concept. Or if you know this concept, right? 148. Okay, better. Do you understand?
Sure.
Bye bye.